Air raid sirens sounded in South Korea after the North fired about a dozen missiles in its direction on Wednesday, at least one of them landing near the rival's tense sea border. In response, South Korea said that it conducted its own air-to-surface missile tests. South Korea is said to have fired 3 missiles in response to North launches. North Korea's launches came hours after North Korea threatened to use nuclear weapons to get the US and South Korea to pay the most horrible price in history, as it has intensified its fiery rhetoric targeting the ongoing large-scale military drills between its rivals. South Korea's military said that North Korea launched more than 10 missiles of various kinds off its eastern and western coasts. South Korea's military said its own fighter jets fired 3 precision-guided missiles near the rival's eastern border. It said that the launches were in reaction to a barrage of North Korean missile tests earlier on Wednesday. South Korea's Joint Chief of Staff said in a statement released on Wednesday that it detected 3 short-range ballistic missiles in response to North Korea's firing, which were fired from the North's eastern coastal town of Wonsan. It said that one of the missiles landed 26 kilometers away from the rival's sea border. The landing site is in international waters but still far south of the extension of the nation's border. South Korea's military said that it was the first time a North Korean missile had landed so close to the sea border since the country's division in 1948. In 2010, North Korea launched artillery shells on a frontline South Korean island and allegedly torpedoed a South Korean Navy ship both off the peninsula's western coast, killing a total of 50 people. This is very unprecedented and we will never tolerate it, South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said in a separate statement. US and South Korean officials have steadfastly said that the drills are defensive in nature and that they have no intentions of attacking North Korea. The White House on Tuesday pushed back against North Korea's saber-rattling, reiterating that drills are a part of the routine training schedule with South Korea.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.